Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to convert a low-res graphics to high-res. In most cases this is impossible, but in some it is. Okay, let's start and I'll show you. I pick one graphic from Flaticon.com. It's a black monkey. The first thing is to duplicate the layer. We always want to have the original one. Okay. Next, have to increase the image size. In our case, let's to be 10 times. It's very important here to choose nearest neighbor. Not automatic, but nearest neighbor. Okay. Click OK. Now we have a high-res image, but it's still pixelized. Let's add some blur, Gaussian blur, and here slide the radius to the point where stop seeing pixels. I think 10 is good enough. Okay. Now we need to add an adjustment curves layer, and here we wanna click this button to affect only the layer below. Now we have to slide the right to the center where the whiter zones become pure white, and the left one, the darker zones become a pure dark or black. Okay, I think it's good enough. Okay, let's zoom and see before and after. Okay, it's very good. Now, what if our image have two colors, or maybe 3, 4? Let's see if we have two colors. The same image with the red elements on it. Let's do the same, duplicate layer, increase the size 10 times. Don't forget to choose nearest neighbor, click OK. Again, filter, blur, Gaussian blur, 10 is good. Again, we have to add a curves adjustment layer. Click here to affect only the layer below, not the original one. Let's slide the whiter zone to be white and the darker to be black. Okay, and it's done, but now we have some problem. Let's see before and after. Do you see the red color is different now? Now we have to make it the same one. To do it, we have to add another adjustment layer, but now hue and saturation. Again, click here to affect only the layer below, and let's start making the same color. Here we choose red. Okay, let's disable to see what we have to do. Have to be darker. Okay, let's see, little more darker, maybe less saturation. Yes, okay, let's see. Little more. Okay, I think it's good enough. And now the red color is the same as the original. It's good enough. But when this method works and when not? In some cases, in very simple graphics, let's see this one, with very sharp angles, will not work very good. Let's do it and we'll see. Duplicate the layer again, increase the image size, nearest neighbor, okay, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Here the 10 is also good. Okay, add an curves adjustment layer, click to affect only the below layer. slide it the lighter and the darker zones. I think it's good enough. But let's see what happened here. The original one is very sharp at this zone here, but the result is not so sharp. That's why this method will not work on every cases. Use it only on less flat color graphics. I mean flat because if we have a lot of gradients or high fidelity photo, it will be impossible to do it. And with more curves, not so many angles on it. The method is very simple, every beginner in Photoshop can do it, and will save you a lot of time in some cases. I hope you like it, bye for now and see you soon.